Nahil ka na ba? This is where we talk about real life, the emotions, the growth, the quiet struggles, and the healing in between. We believe wellness begins with awareness, and sometimes awareness begins with one honest conversations. So wherever you are in your journey, pause for a moment, be still, and ask yourself, nahil ka na ba? Welcome to Nahil Ka Na Ba? This is our first episode and we will talk about our journey. But before that, I'd like to introduce to you myself. I'm Annalisa Laksamana. I'm the founder of Nahil. Since this is the first episode, I would like to welcome and introduce to you my first guest who knows exactly who I am. And with that, I'd like to call Joshua Laksamana, my co-founder. Yee! So, Joshua, since we talk about our story, I've mentioned that we will talk about our story now. Siguro before we talk about Nahil, let's talk about who I am. Okay? But before that, you introduce sino ka muna. Okay?
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everyone who's watching. Kung anong oras man kayo nanonood. Mga kanahil. I'm Joshua Laksamana, the co-founder of Nahil. Happens to be the son of the founder also.
The eldest son.
The eldest son.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so Joshua. So sabi ko kanina, this is our story. People knows that I am in the business, no, for the past 30 years, 32 plus years, which is hindi ka pa pinapanganak noon when I started the first business. It's a long journey. I started the business with nothing, with the intention of a commitment pala instead of an intention of uplifting our family from poverty, meaning may tatay and nanay when I was still single at that time. So for the past 30 plus years or 3 decades of my life, I am in that journey. So building businesses, and then after that, married, and then running the business, of course, with your daddy, running the business with your dad. But it's a long journey. So people will see me as what? I think the person who could describe me now, I may talk about business, but this is not about talking about business. This is talking about my story, your story, our story. That is why, bakit ganun kalalim ang nahil? Bakit ganun kalalim ang tanong na nahil ka na ba? So this is not about talking about the healing or the sickness about physical, right? So we're not talking about, but we're talking about wellness. We're talking about life. We're talking about our story. And I'd like you to share, before we go to deeper meaning of whatever the discussions, and this is, we don't have script, right? And we just want to be open. And this is our first time na makita nila together. Okay? In a serious thing. But people doesn't know exactly, sabi ko nga, kung sino kakulit yung nanay mo. And I think instead of me introducing myself, talking about myself, it's better that coming from you as my son, no? So before we go to as a co-founder, kasi ibang language na yon, or ibang perception or ibang perspective na yon. So let's now, as a mother and son relationship, right? So sino nakita mo since bata ka pa, wala pang business, nakita mo na nag-start na, etc. And then ikaw nang bahala, di ba? So I want you to talk about whatever, without any boundaries. Since sabi nga natin, it is our story, right?
So, start lang ako when I was a kid. kung paano rin na-incorporate ang healing or na-heal sa akin as a child. Ang masabi ko lang is yung mom ko is meron talagang healing hands kasi hindi siya nagmi-miss ng yung evening massages sa amin up until nung naging athlete kami ng brother ko. Hindi kami nagpi-PT eh. So, more on, yung mom ko talaga yung parang nagre-recover. For our recovery, siya talaga yung nag-handle. So, she makes sure na okay yung katawan namin. Yung not only katawan, pati mentally also. Now, we're open about everything na wala kaming boundaries na pwede kang magsabi ng kahit ano at hindi ka i-judge at yung stigma na yung ibang parents pag nagsabi ka ng ganito i-take as negative. Sa amin hindi siya applicable. Open talaga kami. Ayun.
Parang naiiyak na ako nito. First time ko narinig. I mean, I know that I am giving that, before we don't call it healing massage, because I'm doing it because I believe that it's my love language, no? Sabi ko nga, I've been in the business, so I'll make sure na pag uwi ko, I still have my time and energy sa inyo, no? Of course, ikaw yung panganay, hanggang sa naging 3 na kayo. Tama? So, 3 kayo na kung ano yung process ko sa'yo, it's the same thing with Jeff and Sam, right? So, ngayon ko lang na-realize na dun pala nag-start yung ganun. So, before, hindi pa yung word na healing. It's about giving the love to your children. And I believe giving that touch or massage is a one way of showing love, no, or affection to your children. Naiyak ako. Parang ang hirap pala nito pag if you're talking about or hearing it from pag tumanda na kayo. Pag naririnig mo pala yung ganitong kwento, all the while hindi nagba-value. Diba? Hindi siya nagba-value. And hearing that story, now we were not connected it to why this mission or why this commitment is so deep, no? Because the way I share my love or my love to my children is also the same way I give my life to others. Kasi kung ano yung practice ko sa bahay, especially sa mga anak ko, pwede ko namang gawin din siya sa ibang tao. So kaya nga yung sinasabi natin is sobrang lalim nung na-heal. Hearing from you, Josh, is binigyan mo ng mas malalim na kabuluhan. No? So, as being the co-founder of Nahil, we talk about touch of love, right? We talk about openness. We talk about being open without any judgment. And I believe that's also the story of Nahil. Right? That's the story of Nahil. We want to offer a safe space for everyone without any judgment, right? So, it just so happened that we are in these situations, but we want that kind of love that you've experienced in our family, that to also be shared to others. We are not, again, perfect, right? Ups and downs as a relationship, as a mother-daughter, or even your relationship sa tatay or sa dad mo or sa amin or sa siblings mo. But we want to make sure that this kind of love is beyond the relationship as a husband, as a daughter, as a son and mother relationship, and then we bring that into being the founder of Nahil, being the co-founder of Nahil, because I acknowledge your expertise, right? I acknowledge your heart, and the best person that I could think about to be part of Nahil is you, because you know exactly how I value life. And if you've seen me been in this journey for for many years, right? So yeah, maybe you could share some more as the co-founder.
So I would like to add na lang. Nahil made us stronger together din eh. So it became not just like a project, it became personal sa atin dalawa. Na in a personal sense na let's use Nahil to help others na spread yung not just awareness but also healing. So siguro balik tayo sa start. How did Nahil start?
Yung kwento, Joshua, alam mo naman yung kwento, no? So, sabi ko nga, I've been super busy. People look at me as a strong person. Again, I'm super strong. Alam mo naman yan on the way I deal life. You know, the way I focus on really life. I'm not perfect, but as much as possible, with all the pain, I have to make sure that tatayo ako at lalaban ako sa buhay. So siguro yun din yung history nung bata pa kami. So nung bata pa kami kung paano kami pinalaki, at alam mo yan, kakilala mo ang tatay, no? Tatay is your lolo, di ba? Or ang nanay. So ang importante kasi nakita mo yung journey ko. Nakita mo yung journey ko na kahit gaano kapagod, tatayo at tatayo. Okay? So, going back to being in the business for 30 years, bakit yun ang binabalikan ko? Because half of my life, yun ang umikot sa akin. So, without any other activities, because again, with that passion and dedication in the business, giving so much of energy to other people, giving so much of my time to others, giving so much of my time to the people around me, I realized that it's about time that I have to look at myself, right? So that journey begins when I started looking at ano ba yung pwede kong gawin pa. So I started attending Art for Healing. Kasi again, I'm not a party person, alam niyo yan. I am not into material stuff. So hindi yan yung joy ko, but I'm not saying against anything those who would like to have those material stuff, right? So I'm not a typical na babae na will buy stuff to have that kind of joy. So alam mo naman yan that I'll make it a point that my time is spent sa pamilya. So my life goes around with family, ganyan, employees, always tatay at nanay, mga kapatid. It's always outside of me. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko pala na, masaya ako dun eh. Pero, minsan nabe-burn out ka rin pala. Napapagod ka rin pala. So, napapagod din pala ako. So, hanggang na-realize ko na, okay, kailangan ko pala mag-step back para mas malalim ang mas malalim, no? At tignan at yung kung saan ako pwede pang hinga. I mean the word hinga is saan pa ako pwedeng makaramdam ng release, no? So then I started to be outside nature, I have to attend, I have to go to a place where I could find peace. And then, mas lumalim yung understanding ko, the value of my own healing, right? And there are times na pag pagod ka na, hindi ko naman kailangan na mag-self but rather say it sa inyo, speak about it, no? And my safe space is kayo, mga anak ko, alam niyo yan, na we can talk about like 2 to 3 hours, no? Minsan sasabihin mo pa sa akin, tama na, pagod na. But for me, it's my one way of, you are the safe space, kayo, di ba, yung safe space ko? Kasi nga, yun yung one way of me, di ba, paghinga ko. So, another one na parang mabigat din is when dumating na yung part na sinasabi ko nga is yung unti-unti na nare-realize mo that the people that you love, that yung taong mahal na mahal mo, na alam mong binibigay mo. I'm talking about tatay, di ba? So, and I'm still connected, okay? So, pag sinasabi kong naging part siya ng healing or ng journey ko sa na-heal is because I've seen him suffering, no? After giving all, at the end of the day, binigay yung buhay sa kanya ng sila. The purpose of creating the business is to uplift my parents from poverty, right? And I'm grateful that because of that blessing, we were able to give that sa kanila. But the hardest part is seeing tatay, unti-unting nawawala after giving all this, di ba? Being connected with him, right? So, that journey helps me saan pa ako pupunta or saan ako pwedeng magpunta in order for me to have that peace again, to pick up again those pieces of a broken heart. It's not easy because sabi nga natin, healing or wellness is a journey, right? And it's not easy, and it's not a one day, or it's not a one click or one thing na pwede mo nang healed na ako, because it's a journey, it's a process. So I went to different places, different healing places, wellness places for me to be able to bring that energy, because I know that I am a happy person. I know that I can carry, I know that I can survive that kind of emotions. So I know the process in my heart and in my mind that through na-heal, right? Through na-heal. Because of this journey. And I'm grateful that God has given me that kind of tools, that kinds of talents, that kinds of energy. And up to now, right? And up to now, God is giving me all these insights to continue na heal. It's not about, it is a mission. I know that's a mission, right? But more than that, di ba? It's palagi ko sinasabi to eh. It might sound spiritual, it might sound religious, but for me, this is the heart of na-heal. It's uplifting or one soul at a time, right? It is something that uplifting or one soul at a time. Ibig sabihin, it's not for me, because in terms of the wellness, these are all practices that you could, in order for you to release whatever it is. But at the end of the day, we will go back a deeper meaning of life, a deeper meaning of na-heal. So, as my co-founder, this is now my question, so that people will know, as on the back end side, as the IT side of na-heal, because you are the one building it, you are the one doing it with your team. what is really Nahil to you, and how do you see yourself sharing your life through Nahil? Medyo malalim yan, Joshua. So ako naman kasi parang, diba, giving all, we don't want to too emotional, but I think this is one way also of asking you, diba, yung mga ganyang questions.
Siguro sa akin, Nahil is not just a platform. It's a tool, or sabihin natin stepping stone to those who are looking for another way of healing, or kahit hindi na healing, to know more about themselves na lang din. Na gusto makahanap ng peace or quiet time reflection.
Calmness.
Yes, calmness, stillness.
Stillness.
Kahit anong pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, at some point, minsan gusto mong mag-pause lang. Yun ang nahil para sa akin, na baka may mga taong hindi alam yung mga pwede pang gawin na, 'di ba? Hindi lahat available eh. Hindi lahat aware na may mga ganito palang bagay. Pwede pala namin silang gawin. So siguro ang Nahil ay magiging bridge para sa mga taong hindi nila alam ang pwede pang gawin na ganito. Nandito lang tayo para gabayan sila. Sabihin natin, more than just guidance, we're here to help also. We are your safe space. Yun, ang Nahil para sa akin.
Okay. So, let's go back with the personal thing, Joshua. So, ano yung pwede mong tanungin sa nanay mo para naman maintindihan? We're too serious in life. So, ano yung mga challenges, or ano yung mga naging challenges as a mother and son, founder and co-founder, di ba? So, and up to now, it's so many challenges in building this platform or business. So, ano yung pwede mong ma-share and on the learning side, so that if this viewers, listeners can relate to a mother and son relationship, right? So, maybe they will just send us a message. Ano pa, pwede pala yun, right? So, ano yung mga yun na parang mga points na, not just in the business, points na, with all the challenges that you have, di ba? With all the challenges that you have, paano nakakatulong yung nanay mo, mami mo, on the perspective of, ito ako ngayon. So, without any yabang, no? But ito ako ngayon, and I'm still in this journey, no? Pero, kasi, pwede ako maging mami ng maraming tao, no? So, yun ang gusto ko. Yun ang gusto kong masabi.
So,
Diba?
let me take you back.
Okay.
Around 2022, actually 2021, we started this idea of, di pa siya Nahil eh.
Yeah.
Ano pa siya? Ayur.
Yeah, that's correct. Ayur.
Relate,
Life, meaning
yes,
meaning
related with the Ayurveda of sa India. So
Life, meaning
eventually naging Nature Heals or Nahil. We started both of us lang. So ang dynamics namin is co-founder and mother and son. So ang advice ko lang sa mga ganitong may dynamics, paghiwalayin nyo yung negosyo at family time. May mga times kami na, lalo na pag weekend or nasa bakasyon kami, hindi namin pwede pag-usapan ng business. Kasi masisira yung mood. Na enjoyin lang yung weekend, may oras para sa lahat. So, tsaka may advantages din talaga ang pagiging kaysa ibang tao ang magsabi sa'yo ng mga mali mo, mas okay na ang magulang mo.
Wow, lalim nun.
Totoo lang. Kasi ano eh,
Ulitin mo, expand. Okay. Mas maganda ang?
magulang mo na ang magsabi sa'yo. Kasi
Oo.
mas masakit pag sa ibang tao nang galing.
Okay.
At least at the end of the day, sila yung constant sa buhay mo eh. Kung yung mga iba na, kunyari, ibang tao yung magsabi, hanggat pag napagod sila sa'yo, papalitan ka na lang nila eh. Pero pag yung parents mo, hindi yan mapapagod. Hanggat maging mabuo ka as a person, as a businessman, or ayun, yung skills mo ma-develop, sila ang gagabay hanggat sa dulo, hanggat kaya nila. Yan. So,
Hanggat humihinga pa ang magulang mo, makinig ka
kahit-
sa magulang mo.
kahit pero minsan, pwede rin mag-pause ng
Oo.
yung mga kwento na mga hanggang 3 a.m. Nakakapagod na din kasi yun. May mga times na, tama na, uwi na ako eh.
Dahil nagkukwento lang ako about life, right?
Oo.
So,
Yun, minsan kasi from your life and business and life can go hand in hand together. That's why we made Nahil. We created this, or ayun, may mga times din kasi na parang tama pa ba itong ginagawa natin?
Tama.
Na
nakakapagod na rin.
oo, nakakapagod na rin na. Pero bakit namin tinutuloy itong Nahil? Kasi at the end of the day, kahit isang soul lang yan na kailangan ng tulong namin, malaking bagay na yun. Hindi naman to para sa gets pa rin, as it's still a business, but it's more than just a business. It's if we can help anyone who's in need of just someone to talk to, or just pause for a while with the sound healing, or kahit na ano lang eh, reflection, or kailangan lang ng talagang break sa ano nangyayari sa buhay nila. Nandito lang yung Nahil para sa kanila. Kaya we're here to help one soul at a time. So,
Palalim ng palalim ang ating discussion. Palalim ng palalim yung ating usapan, no? Pero alam mo, hindi naman to bago sa atin, di ba Josh? Para tayong ganito nga, sabi mo nga kanina, hanggang 3 a.m. may tapos na. Anong oras na? Because I realized na kayo lang naman talaga yung katsikahan ko for, di ba? I can talk about anything, everything, di ba? So, ako I would always say thank you for your listening ears. Kasi ikaw lang naman ang makakaintindi sa mami mo. Diba? People will always look at me as, oh, she's a superwoman. Oh, she's so strong, etc. But people doesn't know what is going on in my heart, right? The only person, sabi ko nga, ang tao lang na makakaintindi at makakaunawa is the people na hindi ka nakikita in social media. And kayong pamilya ko ang nakakaalam, ano ba talaga yung soul ng nanay ninyo, ng mami mo. So, I think, Josh, to not to boost, no, but can you can you share with them ano ba yung buhay ng mami mo on a day-to-day life? Siguro mas maganda rin pag-usapan na hindi nakikita sa social media, no? So, or we don't need to explain this to them, or hindi naman natin kailangang ipaano. Pero sino ba yung pagkakakilala mo, aside sa pagkakakilala mo yung mami ko kasi minamasahe kami niyan, yung mami ko kasi ganito. So, what else is something that would recall na makulit yan, ganyan, na, mukha lang ganyan yan, pero ganito siya, etc. So that or anything, 'di ba? So, yun lang yung gusto kong makita nila or makita nila na kaya pala na-heal, kaya pala ganyan or kaya pala ganyan ganyan. So that this is talk about nanay and ano na, relationship. Okay? So,
Mm, medyo
huwag kang
malalim na
iiyak
yun.
ka.
Hindi ako iiyak.
Reserve mo yan
Ah,
sa wedding mo.
so, as a... Paano siya naging na-heal? Sige, simulan natin sa pagkagising niya. Mm, si joke lang.
Oh.
Siguro yung ini-incorporate niya talaga yung natural healing into her life eh. She always makes sure na uh, lagi siyang alam ko lagi siyang nagme-meditate eh. So, grounded siya as a person also. Na as much as possible, yun, grounded talaga siya. Na hindi, tsaka ayaw niya nung, lalo na pag may gatherings, ayaw niya ng negative. Always fun to be around with. Uh, Mahaba pa to eh. Baka mamaya tumagal tayo ng 4 na oras eh. Pero yun, gist lang is she's always grounded and a positive person. No negative energy. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay. Maganda naman yung sinabi mo. 'Di ba? Parang kung napapaisip ako dun sa buhay ko ngayon. So, dahil sa kalaliman yan, 'di ba? So, ang lagi lang nating titignan is together with other team, we will walk as one, right? We will walk as because we know as a team we know exactly where do we want to go, right? We know that in our heart, not just in my heart, but in our hearts, right? As a team, right? So together with our team is, may we invite, no? Okay, may we invite you seekers, we called it seekers.
Mga kanahil.
Mga kanahil. Mga kanahil,
Joke
di ba? Mga kanahil. Seekers of all walks of lives that we want to give space, right? Together with our partners, together with our partners. These are all certified practitioners, wellness places, healing products, with our retreats, wellness retreats, right? So, I think merong in our own little way, we were able to share. Actually, sobrang konti pa lang yun na share natin sa buhay natin, Josh, di ba? So, and we would like to extend that love, no? I will always call love, no? At the end of the day, kung walang pagmamahal, kasi we cannot vibrate eh. We cannot do it without love, right? So, we would like to call or we would like to invite mga kanahil to we'd like to call our kanahil to join us in this community, to join a Heal Wellness community, to be part of this safe space. And with that, I hope that we will, this is just the first episode. We will have more conversation with you. We will have more, we will have more conversations with you, and we would like you to be part of our conversations, right? We would like to you be part of this community, of this wellness community. And with that, I would like to ask share this to everyone is this is our to end this first podcast. I would like to share this and ask,
Nahil ka na ba?
Uli.
Nahil
Uli.
ka na ba?
Nahil ka na ba? So, again, our questions, or not even a question, I would like to close this. First, I'll do it, Joshua. So, my question is, nahil ka na ba? At sana, nahil na rin kayo. Kasi, nahil na kami. Thank you.
Thank you.